Hello everyone, I am Savita Hosamane here, and I have been receiving lot of requests from people asking me to share the self-publishing journey of my book, as I'm an author as well. So then I thought, instead of sharing it individually, why not create a video and share the steps to create a self-publishing book so that it can be beneficial to many of them. So here are my steps that I followed for self-publishing my 2 books, and now I'm on the journey for the 3rd. So first of all, if you have actually finished with writing the script of the book, it is then you have to decide like what will be the size of the book that you want to get it, be it in printed format or also in publishing it in an ebook format. It is good if you decide the size of the books. Just for your understanding, let me show you the different sizes of the books. See, this is the usual 9 inches by 5 inches, and these are all the small books. So in whatever size you want to publish, first decide the size of the book so that the formatting becomes easy. Assuming that your script is ready and you have got it edited, the proof checking is already done and it is ready to be printed or published, in that stage you have to decide the size of the book and get it formatted according to that size itself. And once the book size is done, then you will have to choose upon the cover of the book. So now let's go in detail to understand how the cover design matters. Initially for my book, I had decided to do the cover myself. Later on, I outsourced the cover design an eye-catching book cover design. This cover design has to carry the entire essence of the book. The cover of the book should have the title. Here the title is Erupt with Joy, and then at the bottom we have the author's name, as well as at the top we have the subtitle. Erupt with Joy is the main title, and the subtitle of the book is A Journey of Exploration from Core Values to Cultural Alignments. I used this based on real life incidents just to give people the picture that it is all about real-time experiences, as it is a self-help book, and it will help people to understand that they can use this book as a guide for their own journey. If at all you look at the subtitle, it says A Journey of Self-Exploration. The subtitle has to relate with the title, and as well as it has to give an impression of what the book is all about. Now, if at all you look at this second book title, it is called as Chaos to Consciousness. The subtitle is For Multidimensional Growth in Work Life. And now let us look at the pictures which we are choosing in both the books. It has to be a simple picture where I was saying that it has to cover the essence of the book. Here it is all about how you erupt with joy when you are aligned to your core values. Also, this book is about how people can find joy in their work and how they love their work and be more productive in their work life is the essence behind it, where we have showed the offices and people are jumping with joy. So this is the essence of the book. And now if at all you look in this book, this is all about bringing spirituality into your work life. So if it is chaos, we follow multiple paths and thereby multiple footprints which are scattered here and there. Once you start becoming conscious, then you will start seeing that everything starts get aligned, just like the energy centers in our body. So bringing that element of consciousness into our daily activities is what these 7 colors, which represents Vibgyor or the 7 energy chakras, is brought about in this cover design. And as you notice that once the cover is designed, you will have to start focusing on the back cover as well. In the back cover in this book, I have divided it into two portions, where one portion is all about the author and who the author is, and at the bottom we have this ISBN number and as well as the price tag, which I'll come to it later. And here is the description of the book. Why should somebody read this book? What will they gain by reading this book? Is this book going to be helpful in whatever they are seeking? Is it for education? Is it for entertainment? Is it for mentoring, or is it for an inspiration kind of thing? So keeping all these aspects, the description of the book has been done. And now, like as I said, coming to this ISBN number. What is ISBN? ISBN is the International Standard Book Number, where once you take this ISBN number, each book will have a unique identification number which cannot be given to any other book other than your book. See to it that you take your ISBN number, even if at all you are doing a self-publication on your own, because you can now your book will become eligible to be placed in libraries and to be sold in retail counters. And also we have the price. As I was saying, you decide on the price of your book. So the price depends upon whether you want to sell it in a printed format or you want to sell it in an electronic format. If you want to sell it in a printed format, then you will have to take into consideration of what kind of binding. If at all you see, this is a hardbound book where we have a hard binding. This is the hard binding, and this as a paper jacket as well. So what kind of binding do you want for the book, and the number of pages which you want to print also becomes one of the factors for deciding the price of the book. This is a paperback. So this can be priced much lesser than the hardbound books. So once you decide that which platform you are going to choose, or the type of printing that you want to do, is it hard copy or a soft copy, then you will decide the price of the book. Taking all these factors into consideration, then once the cover is also designed, now if it is printing, you can convert it into a PDF format and hand it over to the printer, and the printer will print your books and it will be ready to be distributed and sold also if it is required. But now coming to the electronic version of the book. Here what you have to do is you have to choose a platform. I chose Amazon platform to sell my books. So after choosing Amazon as the platform, you will have to submit your electronic copy based on the guidelines which Amazon would have provided for publishing the books. You will have to create your own author's account, which is called as the Author Central account. And once that account is set up, then you will have to upload your formatted script onto the platform and wait for the approval from the platform. Amazon, we have a self-publishing platform called as the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, and then you can find the best fit for your book. Also, you will be asked to choose the category. Since both my books are for self-help books and for people who are interested in their own self-growth, I chose the self-help category. And also, since it carries a lot of business information, it has been published in the category of business mentoring and coaching as well. The first book, Erupt with Joy, is an Amazon bestseller as well. You get this badge once your book becomes an Amazon bestseller. for which you will have to follow the guidelines of the platform like Amazon. So once your book is published, you will receive an email saying that the book is now available for downloads on the platform. Now you will have to see to it that you start promoting and distributing the book across various channels. So how do you promote this book? You will have to use your social media channels and any other form of, either it can be in the form of emails, as well as you can announce it on your website, and also on all your social media platforms. You can publish the fact that you are a self-published author, and now the book is available for being downloaded, so that people can read it and even provide their reviews. And once you start promoting your book, keep an eye on the book sales and reviews as well, because reviews is where it will help to promote your book and reach out to a wider and a larger audience. And KDP, as in Amazon, it keeps sending mails to you regarding the amount that you have been generating through the sale of these books in an electronic format on Kindle, where people download it for the price which you have set it for downloading. Some people even go to the extent of asking for a printed copy. You can use the option of print on demand, and Amazon does the service of printing the book and delivering it to the end customer as well. So follow these steps of self-publishing your book and be consistent, patient, and persevere in whatever you are doing, because it can be rewarding after a certain period of time, depending upon the content of your book as well as the way it is reaching out to the audience. Do not be scared to experiment. With a little bit of dedication, perseverance, commitment, you can make your book writing a rewarding journey, because after some time you will start getting invitations to appear as a speaker as well in your area of expertise. This book gives you credibility and visibility. I hope I have answered most of your questions. And in case you still have any questions, feel free to write in the comment section. I will be addressing to those questions as well. And do not forget to subscribe to this video, and you can watch out for more videos. If you have any particular topic to be addressed, please do write to us, and we will see to it that a video will be created and we will be addressing the same. Thank you so much.